Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Here we come again with a magical journey into the world Christmas craft. The holiday season is here, a season of joy, togetherness and creativity, and what better way to celebrate than by crafting your own beautiful decorations. Today we are not just making crafts, we are creating mindfulness, joy and meaningful connection. So grab your favorite material, settle into cozy spot and let's craft seasons full of love and creativity together. Crafting during Christmas is more than an activity, it's an art from the turn simple objectives into a something extraordinary and strip of fabric become a soft ornaments, a jar transform into a glowing lantern and pine cones become a rustic tree decorations. Each piece you create carries the beauty of your imaginations and brings your home to life with handmade warmth. One of the most wonderful part of Christmas crafting is the freedom to creative. These are no rules. TV. Just possibilities. You can work with felt paper, burlap, jute, or even recycled materials. You can make ornaments, wreaths, garlands, or handmade gifts. The act of creating something from your own hand is deeply rewarding, and every piece reflects your personal holiday spirits. But Christmas craft is not only about decorating; it's also about mindfulness. When you sit down to cut, glue, stitch, and paint, your mind slow down. You stop worrying about tomorrow task and start focusing on the present moment. The texture of fabric, the sparkle of glitters, the scent of pine, these details ground you in the now. Crafting becomes a form of holiday medication, bring calms and peace into the busiest season of the year. Crafting is truly for everyone, children, parents, grandparents, and friends, for kids, and develop creativity and patience for adults. It relieves stress and sparks for imagination. For families, it's build bond and tradition, and for older generation, it's bring joy, purpose, and connection. Crafting bridges generation, turning simple material into shared memories. Simple a beautiful craft. Let's think of some beautiful creative craft you can try these holiday season. Handmade felt ornaments, cut stars, heads of stocking from felt, stitch the edges and fill them with the cotton, rustic burlap, and jute decor, wrap jute twins around old ornaments, tie burlap bow, and add pine cones for a farmhouse look. Paper snowflakes and garlands fold cut paper into delicate snowflakes of create colorful chains to hang across the room. Mason jar, lantern, recycled glass jar, paint them with snowy designs and